If you are having laptop or desktop, sometimes you may need your laptop or desktop to do some things, but that time your desktop or laptop will not be with you. In that case, you can access your laptop or desktop using your own smartphone or any other laptop. In this video, we will be telling about how to do that. And in some case, you will be telling your friends or parents to do some things in their laptop or desktop, but they will not be understanding. In that case, you can access their laptop or desktop completely and do that things for them. For this, you don't need to be there. You can use your smartphone or your laptop to control their laptop or desktop. Anyways, to do this, we need to install one application. First, in your laptop, install Anyviewer application. App link is given in the description. When you are opening their website, you can see download option here. Click on this download, and when you are clicking on that, you can see for Windows, for iOS and for Android. Select for Windows, and down here you can see download button. Click on download, and after downloading this application, install this application. After this, in your second laptop or in your smartphone, you should install this application. For example, I am using my smartphone. In Play Store, you can see this application, Anyviewer application. After installing this application, open this application. When you are opening this application in your mobile phone, you can see three options: device, connect and settings. To connect with your laptop, you should select connect option. After that, in your laptop, you should open this application. When you are opening this application, you can see a page like this. Here, select connect. After selecting connect, here you can see two options: accept control and start control. If you want to access any other computer from this computer, you should use this section, start control. Or if you want to control this computer from other devices, you should use this accept control. Down here you can see the device ID. You should copy this device ID. After that, what you need to do is that you should enter that device ID in your smartphone or in your second laptop. I am using smartphone here. I should enter this device ID here. After entering that device ID, here you can see connect option. Click on connect. When you are clicking on connect, you can see connecting. Now you can see my laptop screen in my smartphone. Here so many settings are there. If you want to access keyboard option is here. Or if you want to change from mouse mode, you can do that also. Mouse mode is also there. And here so many options are there. If you want to rotate this, there is option to rotate. Click on rotate. Now for example, I am opening Microsoft Edge application in my smartphone. You can see that this application has been opened in my smartphone, and you can see that application has been opened in my laptop also. So this way you can control your laptop from smartphone. If you want to disconnect this connection, down here you can see this option. In this option you can see stop connection. Click on stop connection and click OK. Now this connection is disconnected. So this way you can control your laptop or desktop with any other laptop or desktop or smartphone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.